पुलिसाचेर हात घातलो म्हणून वास्को पुलिशेन वाडेच्या एका तरणाट्याक धरलो। ताणे येरादारी पुलिशेंत काम करपी उपनिरीक्षक रजाशाद शेखाचेर हल्लो केल्लो। शेख वास्को पुलिशेंत काम करता आनी तो ऑन ड्युटी आसतना आयतारा राती ताचेर हो हल्लो जाल्लो।
वास्को येरादारी सेलाचो पुलीस निरीक्षक रॉय पेरेर आनी हेर येरादारी पुलीस सोरो पिवन गाडयो चलोवप्यांचेर दाबोळे कारवाय करताले तेन्ना गुन्यांवकार सोमनशकर आपली दुचाकी घेवन वतालो। जेन्ना ताका आडायलो तेन्ना ताणें मुद्दाम शेखाचेर गाडी मारली।
We had a special night drive to book violators for drinking and driving their vehicles in the night time. So myself and two other PSIs, PSI Razak Sheikh and PSI Kamle with our staff were there on the Daboli Bagmala road. At the time there was sufficient illumination. Lights were there for the jeep, plus there was stuff on both sides of the road with the red blinkers. But one person who came on a bike and tried to evade the first three policemen who tried to stop him. And PSI Sheikh was there standing. He also tried to stop him, but he dashed in the process of filling from the spot. He dashed against the PSI and he fell down. He got slight injuries and also his uniform was torn.
वास्कोच्यान आमचो खबराकार हिरुमा आली।